ASMR hypnotic videos are getting an insane amount of views on YouTube and TikTok. And the reason for that is that these videos are addictive to watch, and it's so calming. Once you start to watch a video like this, 99% of viewers will stay till the end, and that's a fact. This YouTube channel has more than 50 videos with 1 million views, and some of them have even more, like these examples, which have more than 20 million views. And this is another YouTube short channel with millions of views. According to Social Blade, they are making a pretty good amount with these millions of views. When it comes to TikTok, these videos are crushing the game. These are just 2 TikTok pages, which started last month, and there are videos with more than millions of views. This specific TikTok channel started to upload videos just 2 months ago, and the views that they are getting are insane. This one has 31 million views, and this one has 20 million views. And there are more than 20 videos that exceed the 1 million views mark. This next TikTok page is also new, and it has this video, which was uploaded just 6 days ago, and it has 11.3 million views. And the best thing is that all these videos are 1 minute long, and they are monetized on TikTok. The next question is, how to create these videos? You need to know programming and some coding knowledge to make these. But don't worry, there is this AI tool called hypnos.io. Using this AI, you can easily create these videos with just several clicks. So yes, no need to learn programming. You can use the link in the description to sign up for this tool, and let me show you how to use this AI to make these viral short videos. First, you need to sign up using your email, and it's going to ask these questions. Just answer those, and you will come to this page. As you can see here, we have templates. Now, let's try this first template. This preview video is just 5 seconds long, and it's kind of slow, but don't worry, we can customize this however we want. Using this first option, you can increase the duration of this video. As I mentioned earlier, these videos are addictive. Because of that, longer videos work very well, and it's going to help to increase your watch time. So let's go with a 60-second duration. Then we can edit the colors, the color of the ball, the ring, and even the background. Always use darker backgrounds, and always make sure to match the colors. If it's not visually appealing, your viewers will scroll away from your videos. This next setting, which is animation speed, is very important. So make sure to play with these speed settings. Don't make it too fast or too slow. Keep it moderate. And make sure to match the speed of the ball with the speed of the rings. It's not that complicated. You will understand it. Under these visual effects, you add a trail to the ball. Now it will look like this. We can always preview it. And I'm not going to use this option in this video. Now, this next setting is really cool. Instead of the ball, you can use a face or an image. We have some pre-made images. I'm going to go with this Batman's face. You can also upload any image from your device. This will make the video more fun. Using this next setting, you can add funny sound effects, and this sound is very important for your video's retention, and it will keep your viewers engaged. So don't forget to add those. Once everything is done, you can generate the video. Now I'm going to try this Rocket League template. Most of the settings are the same as before. Let's make the duration of this video 60 seconds. And with this template, you can choose team names. Here we have France and Brazil. You can change those to any name you want. Then you can select the colors for each team and each ball. It's the same as before. And this next setting option is also the same as before. You just need to edit the speed as you like. Then don't forget to add sound effects to your video. It's very important. In this custom image option, you can add different faces or images for each team. You can do Ronaldo versus Messi or any rivals of your choice. With this method, you can attract a lot of audience. That's how easy it is to make videos for this specific niche. That looks amazing, and the process was super easy. These TikTok creators are only spending several minutes, and they are getting millions of views. It's because this is one of the easiest niches you can do on TikTok and YouTube. If we talk about this tool, it has 3 plans. You can start with the basic one, which is $19, and with that, you can create 50 videos, which is great for starting. If you have tried several niches on TikTok and YouTube Shorts and didn't get enough views as you expected, I would recommend this niche, because it's one of the easiest niches that you can start, and it's easy to get millions of views with this niche. Okay, with that, today's video has come to an end, and I hope this was helpful for you guys, especially for those who requested this from me. So if you have any specific niche or a video style that you want to learn, just drop a comment and I will make a video on that topic as well. So, I will see you guys in the next video.